Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
Some scattered showers and storms starting to form across the area. Max alert radar lighting up pretty nicely now, especially across southwest Virginia and even into the Tri-Cities at this hour. Let's zoom in, show you where some of this rainfall is and where it's heading. You see some pockets of moderate rainfall near Bluntville. Also a pretty hefty downpour now in areas of Johnson City. Piney Flats also seeing a little bit of light to moderate rainfall. The biggest storm still located across portions of southwest Virginia. Moving into Russell County, let's zoom into this storm here up in portions of Wise and Dickinson County. This is heading off to the south and east, so over say the next hour or so, moving very slowly, only about 15 miles per hour. It's going to head up towards some of these communities. Council around 1210, heading towards Honecker around 1245, Lebanon around 103, and then eventually as we go a little bit further off into time around 10 p.m. into the Rosedale section. So be alert for a little bit of lightning with that storm. More scattered showers and storms forming across the area this afternoon. Some down in Greene County as well. Hawkins County also seeing some downpours. That's what we'll see throughout the afternoon as a cold front starts to get closer towards our area, helping to spark some of these showers and storms as it moves in, creates a little bit of lift, combines with that heat and humidity to cause these storms. Now our future radar showing a few of them scattered about, generally becoming maybe a little less widespread as we go later into the overnight hours. Then a nice little soaking rain can move in late overnight, and then we finally clear out as we head into the later portion of Tuesday. But rainfall totals region-wide could be on the range of maybe a half an inch, a little bit locally higher, more possible up towards portions of Lebanon, especially across southwest Virginia. I think that's where our greatest shot for some very heavy rainfall will be this afternoon as some of those storms train over the same areas again and again and again. So because of that and the potential for isolated flooding, some gusty winds, maybe 1 or 2 severe thunderstorms, we've got our severe threat tracker into the medium alert level for Monday, but much lower on Tuesday and Wednesday. Some nicer weather starts to move towards our area. Check out the time lapse this morning from Bays Mountain. You notice we went through the morning, the heat started to build, and those cumulus clouds bubbled up, and now we're seeing the showers and storms form. As we take a live look from the north state of Franklin, shower approaching the north state of Franklin out there in JC at this hour. It's 80 degrees in Bristol, 85 in Johnson City at noon. The same in Kingsport, 72 though in a rain-cooled Wise, and 81 degrees in Marion. So region-wide temperatures, you probably already have hit your high today in Wise, but we'll go 86 in Bristol, 86 as well for Kingsport, 87 in Johnson City, but 86 as well for Abilene with scattered storms around, 79 for Boone, 82 in Mountain City, 86 in Elizabethton, and there's that 82 for Norton and Wise. But you probably have already hit that high, as I mentioned, 83 in Clintwood tonight and 85 in Jonesville. Tonight, temperatures dropping down to around the 66, 65 degree range. We'll go 64 for Grundy, about the same for Mountain City and Marion, and around 66 for all 3 of the metro cities tonight for your overnight forecast. The next couple of days featuring lesser chances for rain, especially as we go into the day Tuesday afternoon and Wednesday. One of the nice things about Wednesday is going to be the more refreshing air, what we call the sticky scale, which is kind of a measure of the humidity in the air. You know, when it's really humid out there, it feels kind of sticky and moist right when you walk out the door. Well, a bit of drier weather moves in as we head into the day on Wednesday. So a welcome sight as we go later into the work week. Then a little bit of mountain showers possible Thursday and Friday. Not ruling out a shower here in the metro as we go into the week Friday. Then I think as we go into Saturday and Sunday, better shot for rain region-wide. Some showers and storms form heading into the holiday weekend. We'll keep you updated on that one. Could have to raise or lower those rain chances, you know, still 5 or 6 days out. So a little bit of time for the forecast to change and hopefully changing for the better, not the worse. But we'll take a little bit of rain if we can get it, I suppose. We're still down a little bit for the month and year.
And of course, you're talking about 4th of July weekend. What